was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green.
It actually took like another 15 years, so we're talking like 35 years right now.
Where are we going today?
We're heading over to Pope's Eye.
Nice. Why?
Because it's too rough to go out the heads today.
Okay.
Running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing a song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Is this movie that I think you like? This guy decides to quit his job and head to New York City. This cowboy's running from himself. She's been living on
So then that shoots out there, so you can jump in and go on the edge, and then the car basically takes you.
side. I wanna be your left hand man.
So how was it?
It was amazing. It was awesome. I'm so very, very.
What did you see?
Lots of fish, few seals. Yeah, a couple of seals and pretty starfish too.
Awesome. What colour? Orange starfish?
Yeah, orange yellow.
Nice. Well done.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Hooroo.
I love you when you're singing that song, yeah.